Hey, dude, you won't believe what's been going on in my life lately.
Oh, spill the beans. What's happening?
Well, you remember Sarah from the coffee shop, right? Man, I like her a whole lot, you know?
No way. You're finally crushing on her? That's awesome, dude.
Yeah, but here's the kicker. I'm pretty sure she doesn't feel the same way. It's like, bummer city.
Ah, man, that's a tough one. But hey, at least you put yourself out there, right? That takes guts.
For real, it does. I tried talking to her the other day, and it was a total train wreck. I stumbled over my words and probably sounded like a total dork.
Don't sweat it, we've all been there. It's the effort that counts, dude.
You're right. I mean, I've got to give it to her, she was super nice about it. She said she values our friendship, but that's it.
Well, at least she didn't shoot you down in flames, right? Small mercies, my friend.
True that. But it's just hard, you know? I can't help these butterflies in my stomach whenever I'm around her.
Oh, those pesky butterflies. I know the feeling, man. Head over heels for someone who sees you just as a friend.
It's tough to be in the friend zone, dude. Feels like a one-way street.
Ain't that the truth? But hey, you never know what the future holds. Things might change.
Yeah, I guess so. For now, I'll just have to suck it up and be happy with our friendship.
That's the spirit. And who knows, maybe she'll start to see you in a different light. Stranger things have happened, my man.
You got a point there. Maybe I'll give it some time and see how things unfold.
Exactly. Patience is a virtue, my friend. In the meantime, let's hang out and take your mind off things.
Thanks, dude. You're a true friend.
Always, bro. Now, enough about Sarah. Let's go grab some grub and enjoy the day.
You read my mind. Food sounds like the perfect distraction right now.
You bet. And remember, there are plenty of fish in the sea.
Thanks, man. You're the best.
No problem. Anytime, anywhere, I got your back. Alright, let's go. Lead the way to food paradise, my friend.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.